Welcome to Financial Mastery Insights, your go-to channel for powerful wealth-building strategies, smart investing tips, and financial freedom hacks. If you're serious about growing your money, making smarter financial decisions, and achieving financial independence, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on life-changing financial insights. What if you could build serious wealth without anyone even realizing it? No flashy cars, no extravagant spending, just quiet financial success. The truth is, the wealthiest people don't announce their riches. They build them strategically behind the scenes. In this video, we'll uncover 8 simple yet powerful hacks that can help you grow your wealth without drawing unwanted attention. If you want to create financial freedom while staying low-key, pay close attention because these strategies could change your life. 1. Build multiple streams of income. One of the biggest secrets to quiet wealth accumulation is having multiple streams of income. Relying on just one source, like your salary, puts you in a vulnerable position. The wealthy understand that financial stability comes from diversification. Start by creating at least one additional income stream outside your main job. This could be through freelancing, a side business, investing in rental properties, or even dividend stocks. The goal is to establish passive or semi-passive income sources that generate money even when you're not actively working. A great approach is to reinvest the earnings from one stream into another. For example, profits from a small business can be used to buy dividend stocks, which then generate more income. Over time, these streams compound and grow, allowing you to build wealth quietly without anyone noticing. The key is to keep your lifestyle modest while your income sources multiply behind the scenes. 2. Invest in assets, not liabilities. If you want to get rich without showing it, the golden rule is simple. Invest in assets, not liabilities. An asset is something that puts money in your pocket, like rental properties, stocks, or a business. A liability, on the other hand, drains your wealth. Things like expensive cars, designer clothes, or a house you can barely afford. Many people fall into the trap of buying things that make them look rich instead of investing in things that actually make them rich. Instead of spending on luxury items, redirect that money into income-generating investments. Buy rental properties that pay you monthly, invest in index funds that grow over time, or acquire businesses that generate passive income. The wealthy accumulate assets while keeping a low profile. They don't show off expensive purchases because their focus is on long-term wealth creation. By making smart investment decisions, you can grow your fortune silently while avoiding financial pitfalls. Master the power of compound interest. Albert Einstein once called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. And for a good reason. This financial principle allows your money to grow exponentially over time, turning small investments into massive wealth. The secret to leveraging compound interest is to start early and stay consistent. Even small, regular investments in stocks, index funds, or retirement accounts can snowball into a fortune if left untouched. For example, if you invest $500 a month in an S&P 500 index fund with an average 10% annual return, you could have over $1 million in a few decades without anyone even noticing how you did it. The key is to reinvest your earnings instead of cashing out too soon. This allows your money to multiply faster, all while staying under the radar. The sooner you harness the power of compounding, the richer you'll become, quietly and steadily. 4. Develop a long-term vision. One of the biggest differences between wealthy individuals and the average person is their mindset. The rich don't chase quick wins or overnight success. They think in terms of decades, not days. Developing a long-term vision means making financial decisions based on where you want to be 10, 20, or even 30 years from now. Instead of spending money on short-term pleasures, invest in things that will bring long-term rewards, such as retirement funds, real estate, or high-value skills. Most people who accumulate wealth do so because they stick to a plan and stay disciplined. They don't flaunt their riches because they understand the power of delayed gratification. When you adopt this mindset, you'll find it easier to save and invest and make smarter financial moves, all without drawing attention to your growing wealth. 5. Educate yourself. Financial success isn't just about making money. It's about understanding how money works. The wealthiest individuals are constantly learning and improving their financial knowledge. They read books, follow successful investors, and stay informed about market trends. The more you educate yourself, the better decisions you'll make. Learn about investing, taxes, real estate, and business strategies. Understand how to grow and protect your wealth. Many people stay broke because they rely on luck or bad advice instead of learning how money truly works. By quietly improving your financial literacy, you'll make smarter investments, avoid financial traps, and build long-term wealth without anyone noticing. Remember, knowledge is the foundation of financial independence. The more you learn, the wealthier you become. 6. Live below your means. Living below your means is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to get rich without anyone noticing. Many people assume that the wealthy live extravagantly, but in reality, many millionaires drive modest cars, live in average homes, and don't show off their wealth. The key is to control your spending and prioritize saving and investing. Just because you can afford something doesn't mean you should buy it. The less you spend on unnecessary luxuries, the more you can invest in assets that generate long-term wealth. Avoid lifestyle inflation, the trap increasing your spending whenever your income goes up. Instead, keep your expenses low and channel extra income into investments. By living below your means, you quietly build a financial empire while maintaining a low profile. 7. Be anonymous about your wealth. True wealth doesn't need validation from others. Many of the richest people in the world prefer to keep their financial status private. The more people know about your money, the more likely you are to attract unwanted attention, financial requests, or even scammers. Keeping your wealth under wraps protects you from unnecessary stress and allows you to focus on growing your fortune. Avoid flashy purchases that make people suspect you're rich. Be mindful of who you discuss your finances with and practice discretion when making financial moves. If you truly want to be financially free while flying under the radar, keep your wealth a secret. Let your bank account grow while others stay focused on appearances. 8. Learn creative tax strategies. Taxes can take a huge chunk of your income if you don't plan wisely. The wealthy understand that keeping more of their money is just as important as making it. By learning legal and ethical tax strategies, you can reduce your tax burden and keep more of your earnings. Some key strategies include maximizing tax deductions, investing in tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs or 401ks, and setting up businesses to take advantage of tax benefits. Real estate investors, for example, can use depreciation to lower their taxable income, while business owners can write off expenses to reduce tax liability. The key is to educate yourself or consult a professional who can help you navigate tax laws. By legally minimizing your tax obligations, you quietly accumulate more wealth over time without anyone noticing. Getting rich doesn't have to be loud. The smartest wealth builders grow their fortunes quietly, making strategic moves without seeking attention. If you apply these 8 hacks, you'll be on your way to financial freedom without anyone even realizing how wealthy you are. Which of these strategies do you plan to implement first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial mastery tips.